Listen, hearing is very important. Hearing is very important. Because sound is the mother of all matter. Sound is the original source of energy. You see it? Sound is the original source of energy. And so God speaks. And everything that God says, that's why talking is important. Why did God talk? The Bible says, and God said. Why talking? And why does He encourage us to talk? Because of the power of sound. That's why you must voice your faith. He says, if thou shalt confess the Lord Jesus. Confess, it means to say the same thing. Confession is homologia. Homologia means to speak the same thing in consent. That's in Greek. To say the same thing in consent. That means you're saying the same thing in agreement with God. If thou shalt confess the Lord Jesus, believing in your heart that God raised Him from the dead, He says salvation is yours. Why confessing? Why saying it? He says say it in agreement with God. You can't think it. Salvation will come only when you say it. To think it will not bring salvation. Jesus said, by thy words thou shalt be condemned, and by thy words thou shalt be justified.